Okay, so I thought I'd just make a quick video because I've been troubleshooting this issue for a few hours, and it was a bit of a tricky one to resolve, and that is with the iCloud app within Windows 11 and trying to get it set up to sync files from your iCloud account to the Windows desktop using iCloud Drive. And the issue was that when I was trying to enable iCloud Drive via the toggle here, it would just immediately switch off. And you try and switch it back on and it immediately switch off. And when you look the issue up, some of the sources say that you have to enable like a password and keychain first and do like a password sync, and then you can switch the iCloud Drive on and you can switch it back off afterwards, which A, didn't work for me, and B, that's a bit of a crap solution. You're not really fixing the problem. So after troubleshooting it for a while, I found that there was a problem with getting the iCloud Drive executable to run, and there was some process issues in the logs starting up, and then there was loads of like permission issues over the files. It turned out to be at least for me, a path environment variable issue with the Microsoft Windows App Store. So when you go into your environment variables, you can search path within Windows, go to the environment variables here, and in the user variables within path, this was missing. So see users, your username, AppData, local, Microsoft, and then Windows Apps. So I had to click new, paste this entry in. But before you do that, what I had to do, if you go into your settings, go into apps, installed apps, find iCloud, remove iCloud Outlook by going to here, go to modify and follow the uninstall options to completely remove the app. Then go into iCloud, go to the three dots, click advanced options, sorry, not just uninstall, advanced options. Terminate the app, do a reset on the app to clear all the data, then do an uninstall, and then reboot your machine. I'm not going to do it now because I've got it working. But once you've rebooted the machine, add the environment variable. I'll include the paths and everything in the description, as I did here. Then once you've done that, you could do an install of the app from the App Store. Now I personally use the command line and use PowerShell, and I use this command here. And I'll include that in the description as well if you want to use that command. However, I believe an install from the Microsoft Store via the GUI should just work as well. But if not, if that fails, just do the uninstall again, reboot it, and then run this. And run it from the PowerShell terminal, and maybe run it as an administrator as well, just to be on the safe side. Just paste in this command here. I'll include that in the description. And then once you've done that, and you've done the install, you can sign into your iCloud account, and then everything should work. And just to prove it works, even the password and keychain works as well. I'll press done. That comes on and works. I can choose my photos. That works as well. You can also turn it back off. Whereas beforehand, before I did the fix, all of these settings were problematic. So the cloud photos wouldn't synchronize properly. passwords and keychains didn't have the arrow was greyed out. That didn't have the options. Setting this meant that when the app's installed, it actually installs correctly and it doesn't have all these issues. So hopefully that fixes the issue for you. Leave a comment and let me know whether it actually worked for you or not, and check out my other videos if you want other solutions to other problems. Done.